Includes a pair of testes. It includes a pair of testes along with the accessory ducts, glands and external genitalia. Okay, testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity. Okay, and within a pouch called the scrotum. Testis located in a pouch called the scrotum. Scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testis, that is about 2 to 2.5 degree centigrade, lower than the normal internal body temperature. So this temperature is necessary for production of sperms called spermatogenesis. This is the process by which sperm formation occurs. In adults, each testis is oval in shape. If you take the structure of a testis, it is oval in shape within a length of about 4 to 5 centimeters. Width is about 2 to 3 centimeters. Now, testis is covered by a dense covering, or each testis has about 250 compartments, okay, that are called testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled tubules. These coiled tubules are called seminiferous tubules. What are they called? Seminiferous tubules. Is lined on its inside by two types of cells called male germ cells. What are they? Male germ cells or spermatogonia, scientifically called. Male germ cells are called spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells. What are they? Sertoli cells. You can see the diagrammatic representation of sectional view of male pelvis. What is that? Male pelvis. Okay, in the pelvis region you can see the presence of ureter, that is coming from the kidney, and this is urinary bladder, seminal vesicle. So reproductive system is just present below the urinary system. You can see the vast difference. You can see the penis here, that is the external genitalia. Urethra you can see here, and glans penis you can see, tip of the, and the foreskin you can see, and testis, and you can see the scrotum that gives specific temperature to the spermatogenesis process. You can see the bulbourethral glands, accessory glands like bulbourethral glands. On the backside of this system, rectum and anus, okay, which are a part of large intestine. You can see here ejaculatory duct that is there here, which helps to ejaculate or push up the sperms in the respective passages. The diagrammatic sectional view of male reproductive system, and you can see in the second diagram, you can see the vast difference here, and this is seminal vesicle, and you can see the prostate gland and a pair of bulbourethral glands and urethra and testis. And in the sectional view, if you cut the testis, you can see the internal section, epididymis, vast difference here, retestis, testicular lobules, and all these parts are very, very important. About each and every part we are going to learn in this video. Male germ cells, nothing but spermatogonia, if they undergoes for meiotic cell division, finally leading to the formation of sperm cells. While Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells, very important point. If you take the Sertoli cells, what are they? Sertoli cells, they provide necessary nutrients to the germ cells. The region outside the seminiferous tubules called interstitial space contain small blood vessels. Inside the interstitial space, small blood vessels and the interstitial cells and Leydig cells are present. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormone called androgens. Okay, androgens, if you carefully see, these androgens are produced by Leydig cells, and they have other immunological functions even. Male sex accessory ducts include reted testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vasa deferens. In fact, seminiferous tubules of the testis opens into the vas efferentia. What is that called? Vas efferentia. if you take the seminiferous tubule, these bunch of seminiferous tubules of the testis opens into the vasa efferentia, through radial testis. Vasa efferentia leave the testis and opens into epididymis located along the posterior surface of the each testis. Epididymis leads to, if you take the epididymis, let us take the epididymis. Epididymis leads to vasa deferens. Epididymis leads to vasa deferens. This vasa deferens ascends to the abdomen. This vasa deferens ascends to the abdomen and loops around the urinary bladder. It receives a duct from seminal vesicle. It receives a duct from seminal vesicle plus opens into the urethra as a ejaculatory duct. In fact, these ducts stores and transport the sperm cells into their respective passages outside through the urethra. Urethra originates from the urinary bladder. Okay, where it is originate? It is originating from the urinary bladder. Tip of the urinary bladder is called urethra. Okay, through the penis to the external opening called urethral meatus that helps to ejaculate the sperms. You can see the diagrammatical sectional view, and you can see the seminiferous tubules. Okay, you can see the spermatogonia. Okay, male germ cells. Here these are male germ cells. Whereas you can see the spermatozoa, you can see the interstitial spaces here, you can see the centralized cells here. Okay, and in fact, male reproductive system is having, the penis is a male external genitalia. In this section, it is made up of special tissue that helps in the process of erection. Okay, and facilitate the process of insemination. The enlarged end of penis is called large, enlarged portion is called glans penis. Is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. In fact, male accessory glands includes pair of seminal vesicles. Very important point for the NEET exams. Seminal vesicles, a pair of seminal vesicles, as you know very well about it. A prostate gland, a pair of bulbourethral glands are present. In fact, secretions of these glands constitute the seminal plasma. What is that? Seminal plasma. Okay, which is rich in fructose, calcium ions, and certain enzymes. The secretions of bulbourethral glands also helps in the process of lubrication. Helps in the process of lubrication of the penis. And the female reproductive system we'll discuss in the coming class.